Today I'm going to show you how to change out the cabin air filter on a 2012 through 2017 Kia Rio. So we're going to go into the passenger side glove box. We're going to come in here, and where this is located, you're going to look up. And what you're going to see is these two arrows. It's saying to pinch this right here. So we're just going to pinch those and pull this out. Oh wow, that's a lot of debris. I have not changed this thing in a long time. So this little white thing is your air filter. So we're going to pull this out. And as you can see, there's a lot of debris in here. And it's not a bad idea to just make sure there's nothing big up here. Take the new one. This is what it should look like. That's what the old one looks like, just to give a comparison. So we're going to install the new cabin air filter. The one thing I will note is, at least for me, I need to make sure that these ends are pointing up. When they were like this, I would hear vibration when I would turn the fan on. So just be aware, keep these pointed up. Otherwise you might hear some additional vibration when you put the fan on high. Okay, so that's in now. So we're going to slide the tab in on the one side. We're going to push this back in, and you should hear it click. And you're done. Thank you. If this helps, please subscribe and help me out. Give me a thumbs up. It just makes me want to do more of these. So thank you and have a great day.